Welcome nail friends to my channel. Today I'll be showing how to do nail extension with gel on my right hand. I'll be doing with my non-dominant hand, so there may be some mistakes and some uh, slow, it may run slow, so please bear with me. So now I will start with prepping my nails. My nails are a little stained with food, and so let me remove the shine and prep my nails. And so let's get started. So while I prep my nails, you take 1 second to subscribe and like my channel, and I'll be back right after prepping the nails. So I'm back, my friends. I have removed the shine, and now I'm going to apply the dehydrator and primer. I'll be taking, these are the nail tips that I'm using. These are stiletto nails. I'm taking gelish foundation gel. This is the best gel. You can take any best gel. I have this, so I'm using this. I have attached all the nail tips. Now I am curing it for complete 60 seconds. Now the nails are completely secured. Now I am going to size it according to my length. Now I'll shape the nails and will blend it with the nail bed. Now I will apply the base gel to all my nails. And we'll give it a cure for 60 seconds. Then I'll take a gel brush. This is Monja 06, and will use this gel. Feng Shang Mei's Soak Off UV Gel System. I'll take a little amount. At first I'll take a little amount and will brush it over my nail as a slip layer, so that the gel which I'll be applying next, it knows where to go. I'll just show you what I meant. Now I'll take a big dollar, a big blob, and will apply in the middle of the nail. and we'll walk it down. Again, I'll take a big amount and place it over the nail. And we'll push it a little towards the cuticle region and then walk it down. I'll just turn my finger upside down so that it has a self-leveling, this gel gets self-leveled, so it comes down, so the gravity pulls it down, and I'll hold it for a few seconds. After that, I'll give it a flash cure. Now I'll do all the other fingers. So my nails are cured. Now I'll be shaping this and then filing it, give it a finish file, and then we'll polish it. So I have already filed and buffed my nails off camera. Now I'll be decorating my nails with some gel polish and 3D art and some foil nails, transfer foils. Before removing the inhibition layer, I will just put top coats on this finger and this finger, because I'll be doing some artwork on these three fingers using gelish Top It Off. This is a no wipe top coat. So I am securing these two fingers before going into any artwork with the others. Now for the middle finger, I'm going to do some 3D arts, but I won't curve it here, okay? Rather, I will take a mold and put some acrylic in this and will apply this mold on my nail. I'm using this color. This is also a custom made color which I made with some chalk and clear acrylic. Now let this set. I think this got set up. Yes, I'll take out. I'll just cut the ends. then I'll apply some clear acrylic to hold the flower. I'll take a small bit, place it on my nail where I want to place the flower, and then place the flower over it. See, this way, and would add some bling. So this is the final product. How you like the design, please let me know. Now I will put some cuticle oil. How you like the design, please let me know, and please comment on the section where in the comment section, and if you want you can share the video as much as you can, and please do subscribe. With your support I can grow and I can bring much more contents on nail art in this channel. Now please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, it will get notified to you. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.